It is estimated that 46% of Haiti's nearly 10 million people are under the age of 18. The special needs of children for food, shelter, and protection must be factored in at the very onset of relief efforts.
It had its center here, just about 17 kilometers from Port-au-Prince, and the destruction in the city is unbelievable. We don't have any indication yet of the number of people that have been killed or injured, but we are talking about thousands. This is a big disaster for Haiti. The most important supplies we are sending in now are family kits, and family kits have cooking equipment and everything that family needs that have basically lost everything. And then we would need to send in medical supplies, and UNICEF have standard medical kits that we know, that have all the medicines we know are needed in these situations. One of the crucial needs of the population will be clean water. And we need to get in as quickly as possible the collapsible tanks for the families and the tablets we use to purify the water. So this is like the first response wave, is to make sure that people have access to clean water.